According to Lexico, powered by Oxford, a conic section is a figure formed by the intersection of a plane and a circular cone. Depending on the angle of the plane with respect to the cone, a conic section may be a circle, an ellipse, a parabola, or a hyperbola. Conic sections can be seen everywhere in our lives. While strolling through my house, I have found several of these conic sections. In my room, my guitars show a resemblance of a hyperbola because of the way both sides curve inward. This Lysol spray can shows a parabolic figure. Another example of parabolas are the brim of many hats. This one here shows a negative parabola. CDs have to be perfectly circular or else they won't play, so these are a great example of the circle, another conic section. We can even find the exact equation of CDs. Every CD is 4.7 inches wide in diameter. The equation of a circle centered at its origin is x squared plus y squared equals r squared, r being the radius of the circle. If the diameter is 4.7 inches, the radius is 2.35 inches. We have to square this to complete the equation, so the becomes x squared plus y squared equals 5.5225 inches. And as seen here, the equation matches our CD. The last example of our real-life conic section are ellipses. The shape of an ellipse is measured from the center to the endpoints. For ellipses that are wider than they are tall, the major axis is the horizontal axis. A is the distance between the center to the vertex, and B is the distance from the center to the minor axis endpoint. You can tell the type of ellipse by seeing if A is greater than B. A great example I found of ellipses are spoons. This cooking spoon was nice and easy to measure. Looking at the inner ellipse of the spoon, the major axis is the horizontal axis, so A is greater than B. It is 3 inches wide and 1.75 inches tall. The equation of an ellipse is x squared divided by a squared plus y squared divided by b squared equals 1. So if the total length of the inner ellipse was 3 inches, then A would be half of this, which is 1.5 inches. The height was 1.75 inches, so half of this would give us a B of 8.75 inches. Our A squared would be 2.25 inches, and our B squared would be 0.767 inches. So our final equation of the inner ellipse of the spoon, centered at the origin, is x squared divided by 2.25 plus y squared divided by 7.67 equals 1. And as seen here, the equation does match the shape of the spoon. Conic sections are a very interesting idea in trigonometry, but when first learning about it, the idea can be hard to grasp. Watching animations that show a cone being intersected by a plane make it a lot easier to understand. Since everything can be measured, we can easily find the equations of many conic sections around us. The equations can in turn greatly help designers and engineers daily as they create and design new things throughout the world. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.